10th Standard Economics, Unit 1, Development. Dear students, you have already seen the video of social science textbook questions with the answers. If you want to see them again, click on the I button here. This video consists of important extra questions other than textbook questions. Let's begin. First main, answer the following questions. First question. The comparison of economic development between countries with different levels of population will not be correct. Why? Answer is, economic progress in a country will be slower if the population expands along with the increase in national income. Therefore, comparison of economic development between countries with different levels of population will not be correct. Second question. What is per capita income? How it is calculated? Answer is, per capita income is the average income of each individual in the country. Per capita income is calculated as national income divided by total population in a given year. Third question. Per capita income is not a real indicator of economic development. Why? Answer is, it does not consider the distribution of income among people. It does not consider the availability of basic amenities like food, shelter, education, health, or other similar social factors. So, per capita income is not a real indicator of economic development. Fourth question. India has very high rates of maternal, infant, and child death rates. Why? In many households, women eat last after the head and children have had food. This makes her malnourished and susceptible to many illnesses. With low nutrition but compelled to doing heavy work makes her to fall sick often, which is usually ignored by the men folk. The health of pregnant women is very crucial because it affects the baby's health also. Due to all these reasons, India has very high rates of maternal, infant, and child death. Question number 5. Sex ratio in India is declining. Why? An evil practice of detecting the gender of the fetus and destroying it if found to be a female one is growing. So, sex ratio in India is declining. Sixth question. What measures will help in bringing women to the mainstream of development? Answer is, many laws have been enacted to curb violence against women at home and at workplaces, to guarantee equal wages, providing reservation of seats in elected bodies. All these measures will help in bringing women to the mainstream of development.